So this is the contempt arising out of the order passed by the Honorable Division Bench, that is Annexure C1, in the operating para number 38 and 39. 39 में kind of there is a specific direction to rearrange the selection list with excluding the candidate participated in the selection process having the qualification of B.Ed.
अरे वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में डी
That has been interim relief has been declined.
नहीं वो ठीक है,
It has been
आप इस चीज को समझो भाई। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी बोला ना वेकेशन की पहले का ऑर्डर है ये
3rd of July.
हाँ, उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ठीक है वो पर भाई मैटर सब्सिडी से तो हमारा कोई इंटरफेयर करना ठीक नहीं है।
No observation of third number page में continue.
Yes.
It is a specific observation that we make it absolutely clear that we have not interfered in any manner whatsoever with the orders which have been
But Mr. Anurag, the judicial discipline required for this court also.
But so far as
No.
if the interim relief has been declined
No.
after reading the case.
No.
My lord,
The judicial discipline, so I am the last man to breach.
my lord,
No.
this is not a case that
Even
interim relief.
Mr. Anurag,
मतलब honorable
हम
Supreme
नहीं
Court
करेंगे,
has
आप
declined.
और ना करें, हमें नहीं करने मतलब नहीं करना। हम ये मानते हैं अगर ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के एसएलपी पेंडिंग हो गई है तो हमारा जुडिशियल डिसिप्लिन ये बिल्कुल कहता है, इवन डायरी नंबर आ गया है तो जुडिशियल डिसिप्लिन कहता है कि हमें इंटरफेयर नहीं करना है।
मतलब that if the honorable Supreme Court has rejected
भाई
then
वो आप
it
ई फॉर वी,
has to be complied by the state.
मिस्टर अनुराग, ई फॉर वी के पीछे हम नहीं जाते। हमारी कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत क्लियर है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में डायरी नंबर भी आ गया तो हमें जुडिशियल डिसिप्लिन अगर मिस्टर सुनिए, अगर यही कैरेक्टर हम अपने लिए रखेंगे ना तो सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट भी हमारे मैटर की ऐसी बिहेव करेगा। जहां जुडिशियल हायरार्की और सिस्टम है दैट हैज टू बी प्रिवेल। ये व्यक्तिगत विशेष के लिए टर्न डाउन नहीं होगा।
Question is if the interim relief,
I will not जितना भी करते रहो, हम नहीं
if the prayer for the interim relief has been rejected by the honorable Supreme Court, then order has to be complied.
Why you are अभी इतने हड़बड़ी की क्या जरूरत है? 28 तारीख को
हड़बड़ी my lord, it is a question of
No.
of the order.
लिखो भाई।
The outer limit time of the order.
All right.
My lord, observe that.
Yes, don't worry. We don't afraid of from observing anything.
My lord.
The petitioners have filed present petition. Petitioner has filed present contempt petition selling the order dated, selling non-compliance of the order dated. कब का order है?
2nd of April.
2nd April 2024 passed by the Honorable Division Bench in WPS number 3541/2003, by which the Honorable Division Bench has passed the following order. So, the learned counsel for the petitioner will submit paragraph कर देना इसको पैराग्राफ 38 को नहीं पैराग्राफ 39 आ गया 39 में आ गया and the learned counsel for the petitioner would submit that the in process of the order passed by the honorable division bench they have already prepared representation but they have not taken into consideration. When this the learned counsel for the petitioner would further submit that the order passed by the honorable division bench of this court SLP number diary number 1794/8/2024 has been filed wherein the Honorable Supreme Court while its order dated 3/7/2024 has declined to stay the order, but therefore he would submit that though the matter is pending sub judice before the Supreme Court, the contempt proceeding can be maintainable. The submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner is deserves to be rejected as judicial discipline requires once the matter is taken up, once the matter is pending before the higher court, the subordinate courts or the authority should keep their hands away. This is the basic principle of judicial discipline, and this court should not ignore the basic principle of judicial discipline. And even the Honorable Supreme Court has already fixed the matter on 28/8/2024 for further hearing. Therefore, I am of the view at this juncture the contempt proceeding is not maintainable. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner after disposal of the SLP to file a fresh contempt proceeding. With this direction, the contempt proceeding.
No, my only argument that may be taken
क्या?
that the interim relief has been rejected by the
लिखा दिया Don't worry,
My lord.
that will be in part of your order. Don't
Lord.
worry.